Hi guys, welcome back. Today I have something new. It is a beautiful new welder from PrimeWeld, and it is, I don't remember the model, but it's a TIG welder, and we're gonna do lots of aluminum welding with it. I got a whole bunch of other stuff to go with it, including a bunch of metal from Weld Metals online, and yeah, it's gonna be great. So I don't know that I'm gonna do any welding today, and it's probably not gonna be a super long unboxing video, but I want you guys to see what you get. Alright, so this is what it looks like all on the cart. The cart's gonna need to get a little reorganized. It doesn't come with the cover. I ordered the cover separate because our shop is always just a big disaster with a bunch of people working in it, and I want to protect it because this is a big investment for me. And it doesn't fit if you have the ground clamp and the hose attached in the front, and I'm pretty sure that this is backwards. I think it's probably supposed to go the other way and then maybe it fits, but it doesn't fit the other way. Maybe it does if I put the hose down like that or something. I don't know. I'll have to mess around with it. So it might be on backwards. Don't judge me for that. Got the torch all assembled, which I have never welded TIG before, so I don't know if that's right, but I'm gonna learn. And I also got this handy dandy tool right here, which was just off Amazon, and it was like, I don't know, 20 bucks or something like that. And what it does is it sharpens your rod for you, which I've seen people do on just a bench grinder and twirling it around or whatever, but I know nothing about TIG welding, so I did it that way. And then I also got, it doesn't come with a cover for your lead, so I bought this cheapo cover that's probably just gonna melt away really quick anyways, but I'm trying. And then, yeah, that's about it. And then I got the gas all hooked up, which I have this shut off. I blipped this open and shut it real quick just to see how well it holds, and it's been, I mean, it hasn't really dropped. It might have dropped 100 psi in 20 minutes. So, I mean, don't leave your gas on, and there you go. I also didn't use any thread tape on these, which I probably could have. So yeah, that's that. The welder doesn't really fit very well on this cart, just because of the way the cart's designed. The little holders for the welder just slide right underneath of it because the feet are too tall. So I'm gonna have to figure out something else to secure it on there. For now, it's just gonna sit on there, but it'll eventually be getting bolted down somehow. And I think I gave you guys a super close look at it, but this is how it comes. I haven't even turned it on yet. This is for your foot control, and then it also came with a little extra trigger deal, which I believe that mounts to the torch so that you can use it on the torch instead of the foot pedal. But I don't know that for sure because, again, I know nothing about TIG welding. So You guys are going to learn right along with me about all this stuff. And yeah, it's pretty cool, pretty nice. Nothing's broken that I see. So I'm going to try welding a little bit.
Oh, it sounds cool.
Alright, so this is what I ended up with my very first ever TIG welds. I know that you're going to be jealous because look at that. You can't get better than that. It's professional. So, yeah. Also use a steel table, not a wood one. So, thanks for watching.